Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale social media with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling your social media with Hootsuite, first, visit the Hootsuite website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Start by connecting your social media profiles. Click on My Profile to access the options for linking your accounts. Choose the social media platforms you want to manage. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. Next, explore the Streams feature. Streams allow you to monitor all your social media feeds in one place. Add streams for each social media account you have connected. You can customize these streams to focus on specific keywords or messages. This setup enables you to engage with your audience effectively. Now move on to scheduling posts. Select the Publisher tab from the dashboard. Click on Create Post to compose your message. Choose the social media accounts where you want to share your content. Add images or links to enhance your posts. Utilize the calendar view to select the ideal date and time for your posts. Scheduling at peak engagement times helps reach a larger audience. Next, take advantage of Hootsuite's analytics tools. Navigate to the Analytics section to track your performance. Here, you can see metrics like engagement, reach, and follower growth. Analyze which posts perform best to refine your content strategy. Consider using Hootsuite's content library for streamlined post creation. Store images, videos, and other media for easy access. When you have a cohesive content strategy, stay consistent with your posting schedule. Consistency is key to maintaining and growing your audience. Explore Hootsuite's listening tools to monitor brand mentions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.